tayo papuntang Glorieta. Grabe, I feel so weak talaga. Nagdrink din ako ng red ginseng kanina. Then, diba kumain ako ng coffee. And after that, and then also, yung taho. Tapos parang ako hinahapo. Nakakainis. Maybe because I don't feel well. Maybe pagod na yun sa kalam ko. So, hindi na kaya kasi sayang ng araw. Sana lang wag mag-collapse. Across the street siguro. Kasi ito pa rin yung Greenbelt eh. Greenbelt. Kailangan natin lumipat sa Glorieta. To look for, I think this is about 15 minutes walk from the hotel. There is now flower festival decoration. Does this work? Is this going up? I think so. Make sure to hold in the handrail. So, this is street. This is the street. Palm Drive. We're here. What are you doing? Are you stepping one by one? Kuya got distracted. So I think because from the hotel, that our hotel, something we can see this landmark or Fairmont. This is just 10 to 15 minutes walk. This environment. Here's going to EDSA, here's going to Greenbelt. Anyway. Daddy, no. Hold my arm. Sure. Huh? That mall. It's called Greenbelt. We're almost there. So I'll share again later. 11 pa daw bukas ng mall, ng Glorieta Mall. So we're gonna go to that coffee bar first. Take a rest. Is it? Ikaw mauna. Hindi ako sanay. Is it? There's no light. Gwen, hurry up! See? The traffic lights here. Baka ma-jaywalking tayo eh, magkano? Gusto ba dito?
Gusto na kayo, makakalabasin mo lang ako.
So we're gonna go here. For 5 po? Pwede na pwede. Yes po. Pero ba kayo upstairs? Okay. Upstairs. What is the room? This is... Anyway, good thing we have an upstairs. It's too much. Pa-clear na lang. With this.
Oh no, Dad.
thing in her.
Dad, are you right?
Ito pala ang Glorieta. Glorieta looks like talaga, hindi siya na full. The Glorieta, meron ako dito yung fan, pwede yung gamitin pang charge kung kailangan mo. Itong Glorieta, para siyang, actually para lang siyang Reef Mall or Algorer Mall. This is the Glorieta na, Daddy? Ha?
Yes.
Ito na yon. Ha?
Oo. Ba't tayo? Dito.
Ito lang pala ang Glorieta. Yung
Mommy, I forgot the glasses.
the glasses.
The blush.
Anyway, you already have the glasses, so we won't buy it anymore. So, Daddy, tingnan natin dito yung ano sapatos. Silip lang tayo. Naka 50% off sila, oh. Oh.
Does that glasses include grade also?
Yes.
Then,
Yeah, you already have, so we can't.
maybe next time.
Maybe next time, girl.
Maybe next time.
Okay, so katulad nga ng sabi ko, Glorieta looks like Reef Mall or Algorer. So, okay guys, nandito kami sa Glorieta and then dito sa main, what do you call this? Stage. Merong BTS and when we're thinking of going there. But she said she's not ready. Because she's sweaty from all of the walks that we did in the morning. But she has capybara.
Not BTS is pregnant.
Yeah, she has capybara, so it doesn't suit the BTS. Baka taboy ka doon. Ay, puka pala. Pag pakita mo yan, pataboyin ka nila. No!
Don't put your weight in the, it's moving. Your hand.
Shall we go there or no? So, yan guys, every mall here in Philippines, meron sila usually mga events sa, sa main stage. For now, it's this BTS. I think launch ng nila, album. Right? Okay, andito na tayo sa K-Park. Anong meron dito sa K-Park? Ito, Korean style na park. So like, they have this, what do you call that? Like a waiting shed natin sa Pilipinas na may shade. What do you call it again? What do you call this kind? Pagoda? Yeah, pagoda.
Pag pagoda ka na, diyan ka na upo. Kasi pagod ka na.
Yes. Galing. So, ito yung nila, Cape Park area. Dito sa may Glorieta. It's not that big. Like, meron lang silang decoration na ganyan. Here and there.
Okay, dito.
There's a Cape Park. Okay, let's take a picture so we have a remembrance. Here in the hut.
Come here, guys. Dali, mainit.
Dito. Ayan, so sobrang init.
Selfie.
Selfie cow! So guys, nakikita niyan, it's called Omniverse Museum. And then it looks like something techy, something like for the gamers, which is not for me, for the kids. I think you would appreciate it. It says it's about STEM, Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics. Okay, so let's go check it out. Anong ba meron dyan? Anyway, it's closed.
Why are the lights on then?
Makakapaligay ng tulak.
It's closed.
Lock.
Other side siguro. Anyway, abort mission. You hear that sound? That is gonna try it.
Mali.
Bueno? April 18, birthday daw niya.
Wala eh.
Cyrus, birthday daw niya. Ito pala, entrance eh. Children's party here. Ito. Ay, naririnig ko. Look at that. Tignan mo birthday party. Anak ko, 64,000. Kobe, for 50 packs.
Don't they have this in Dubai?
That's like 5,000 dirhams.
Don't they have this
Or
in
four,
Dubai?
I think so.
Remember we went here before? The same,
Daddy, picture.
similar one in Dubai.
May ba?
Hindi naman, ayos lang. Andito na kami sa,
Down.
what is it? Again? Time
Magic
zone.
plan. Time zone. Magic.
Magic plan. Ala tayo sa Dubai.
Hold the mic. Mami.
Chicharong-charong, chicharong-charong. Aba, may picture kayo ah. Good job. Ha? Then choose your songs now. Tapos ka na.
Papaya.
Okay. So, andito na kami sa time zone. And then, uli naming stop is mag-karaoke with the kids. Kasi sobrang ingay sa labas din.
Oh.
Anyway.
Let's do it when.
And also, you know what?
What's the song of the, no?
Since we're traveling soon to Japan, naghahanap ako ng pocket wifi. So, ayun, bali nag-check out na kami for another last vlog here in Makati. I think I'm gonna keep it in Kuya's bag, so it's gonna follow us. Grabe, parang masakit yung leg ko, right leg, sa kakalakad. Parang may cramps.
Yan o.
Oo, rayuma. Signs of aging. Eto na guys. There you go. Ito ulit yung nilakaran namin. And then on your on my right side dito, ito na yung green belt 1, 2, 3, 4. Ito rin yung museum na sinasabi ko kanina. Ito tayo lalakad. Here. Here sa green belt. Lalakad ulit tayo dito sa may green belt. Ganito yung museum. Dito tayo magla-lunch? Pag we meet up?
Hindi, pupunta tayo sa New York.
Dito ang lakad? Okay. So we're gonna meet up the other family. And then we're gonna see this place one last time for today, for today's vlog. For today's Makati stay. Okay, let's do the different route. Wala rin naman pala. It's just that. So, bali, ganyan lang pala siya. Okay, so they have a chapel here in the night. I'm not sure if you've seen it, but ano?
Okay muna tayo.
Bakit?
Between 1:30 to 2 p.m.
Ang meet up?
Oo, dito daw sa may. Dito lang sa.
Ay, hindi 1 o'clock? Ay, hindi 12 o'clock?
Sabi muna
To
tayo.
extend your intimate closeness and approval by quoting the wise men by having inspiration.
Okay, as I was saying, guys, ito yung nakita natin kagabi. Boy, that's the one. It's a turtle dragon. So I'm showing it to you guys in the broad daylight, so you can see the difference.
And then,
So it's actually like this. Ang init. It's 12 o'clock.
hindi daw makaupo.
So yung meet up namin yung family on while waiting since 1 o'clock yung meet up. And it's just 12 o'clock. Mag-coffee muna tayo. Yeah. 6 to 11.